Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Discord tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off the Discord notification sound. This is actually quite simple. First of all, we open Discord and here I am on my own server. But it doesn't really matter where you are, because all you have to do is click on the cogwheel at the bottom for the user settings. Here I now have to click on notifications. If we scroll down a bit, we will find the section for sounds. In one of the first points I have the options to turn off the notification sound under message. If I'm not sure whether it is the right sound, I can also play it here. We've heard that it's the right sound, so I'll just turn it off. I have many more options below here for switching off individual sounds. But if I want to turn off all notification sounds centrally, I click on the slider at Disable all notification sounds. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.